Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Baker Abel. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. Today, we are going to be making some homemade chocolate cake. So, for your first ingredient, you're going to want to put in 2 cups of sugar. For your second ingredient, you're going to want to put in 1 3/4 cup of flour. For your third ingredient, you're going to want to put in 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. After you're finished putting in your cocoa powder, you can now put in 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. After you're done that, you're now going to want to stir it all together. After you're finished stirring, you're going to want to put in 2 eggs. You're now going to want to put in 1 cup of milk, then 1/2 cup of vegetable. You can now put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's mix it all together. After you've finished mixing it all together, you can pour in 1 cup of boiling water. The mixture will be very runny, but so now is a perfect time for you to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You're now going to want to grease 2 8-inch round pans. To grease something, you take a bit of butter, you rub it on your pan, and then until the pan is fully coated in flour. Once you're finished flouring your pans, they should look like this. When they look like that, you can split your flour evenly between the two, and then put in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. The cakes just came out of the oven. They look amazing. I'm going to make a separate video on me decorating them, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching to the end. This is Baker Abel.